Hi, I'm Matthew Acola, and I'm here to show you how to install Boca bearings 12 by 21 by 5s into the front axle of an Edam Razor version 2. Very similar to some of the other on-road cars, however, Edam has allowed us to do all of our bearing upgrades without having to change our suspension adjustments. So we're going to be replacing two, the outside and the inside. First thing we're going to end up doing is just taking off the front shock, bottom half only. We'll flip that up. And we have a small set screw right back here in the back of the arm that captures the upper suspension pin. So we'll go ahead and free that up. With the same tool we can push the upper suspension pin forward, and then with a pair of pliers go ahead and pull it out. Our caster clips will go ahead and fall out, which is fine. We have the same setting on the other side, so we have a standard by which to go. Go ahead and get those out of the way. The next thing we can do is go ahead and release the front axle, just like that. And just like with all of the other manufacturers, in this case we have a small set screw inside the quick change lever that's holding the cross pin in place. We'll go ahead and free that up now. Okay, and out the cross pin comes. Next, our axle shims will go ahead and slide forward. Slide that quick change lever out just a little bit. Well, it's going to go ahead and come out all the way, which is fine. That'll allow us an easier time putting it back in. At this point we can slide the axle all the way out. Okay, so there's our two bearings. We'll go ahead and replace them. These are ceramic balls with stainless steel outers and inners with our yellow shield. Very high quality, fantastic smoothness. And we're literally going to do the reverse of what we just did to put it all back together. Alright, so our 4 axle shims for spacing out the pin. We can go ahead and tighten down that set screw at this point. There we are. We'll go ahead and slide that axle back into the solid front one way. Our front suspension pin slides back in. Go ahead and put in a couple of our caster clips just to go ahead and make it a little bit more secure while we're got things in position here. And now we can go ahead and tighten down that set screw back here. There it goes. Alright. Front shock absorber. And the last but not least is simply putting in our quick lever change. Quick change lever spring slides right in here. This is always a fun part of changing out front axle bearings in any of the cars. Oops. we go. Oh. Okay, when it slid in, we'll go ahead and make sure it's all the way in. And we are. Alright, that's it. There you have it. Boca bearings 12 by 21 ceramics into an Edam Razor version 2.